good.
No.
Yes.
I don't want to be recorded.
You're not recorded.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. I am. I'm recording me putting this together.
Oh, fine. I read this in a book. Believe it or not. Something in a book was after dark. I spoke too soon.
Well, keep singing to her.
No.
She likes it when you sing.
I know.
Go sing to her.
You run blood with chicken across the place. You know, fucking hell. Water said, hey, what are you doing?
The bucket of water asked, hey, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh,
And
dear.
the chicken crossed the road again. Fine. A banana. The banana said, hey, what are you doing? He said, I saw a bucket of water over there. I think I'm gonna go find it. Alright, let's go. They all went together to find the bucket. Bucket of water was singing, singing a song in the Saturday on this lovely summer day.
It's the middle of fall.
And then the dog said to the chicken, what a wonderful evening it is. Let's fly an airplane and check out the rain. And then we'll see you tomorrow. I don't know any songs. Okay.
I wasn't sure that was a song. I kind of quite like the feel of the chickens and the chirps and all that jazz.
Mouse sweat. Mouse sweat. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle,
The
right?
mouse went wiggle, wiggle.
And then the reindeers came in and said, with their bells ringing, they came in with old Santa Claus. Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus climbed the window pane. They decided to go to the North Pole to visit, oh yes, to visit Mr. Rudolph. Rudolph had a pretty big red nose.
A pretty big nose?
He decided to go to surgery to get this big nose taken care of. Then he wished on a lucky star.
Can I borrow her for a minute? But keep singing so she doesn't freak out.
Here she said, put it down. She smells it. Right.
Oh.
I love bag.
Well, it doesn't help that she has the blanket on too, so I can't tell where,
Her feet are.
Yeah. Oh, don't eat that.
Okay. This is it. Dinner time.
She's definitely gonna need the seatbelt though.
Yeah,
Like-
that thing.
Like, look how far back it goes.
Oh.
Yeah.
It says to always put her in it or something like that.
I know. What's wrong? What's wrong? You gonna change her?
Yeah, is this running?
No.